So one tool a lot of people don't know about, and I never used to really know about until I was in engineering, is these compound rubber wheels. So this is a 3M compound rubber wheel, and they just attach to your angle grinder, bench grinder, and they are absolutely amazing. I use this every single day, I'd say, and they are brilliant for if you want to deburr metal. So they're great for just deburring the edges of the metal. You can also use them for polishing, so they will polish up. You can get a nice polished finish. Mine's got a bit of a taper on it, where I've flipped it around now, but it's just where I was using one side, and I've now pulled off the protection cover so that I can use the wheel easier. But these are absolutely brilliant. So I'll put a link in the bio, but this is a 3M one. You don't have to have a 3M one, you can get other brands that are cheaper, but 3M is top quality. So this has got like a burr around the outside of it. If you just touch it on here, see that? So you can just knock all your burrs off with it quickly. Spin it around like that. That knocks all your burrs off, but you can also use it for polishing. So if we take this edge here, almost like a buffing wheel. See that? So you can do the same with your, that's a bit of alley, and we can do the same with a bit of brass. So if we take this edge, so if you see it's a bit matted, mottled. You can obviously come down on the side as well, and then it really starts to buff it up. But it's great for if you want to like knock the corners off. See that? And it doesn't give you the rough finish that a sanding wheel. This gives you a nice smooth finish. So you can just run your edges across, and it gives you a nice smooth finish on that there. So yeah, this is one of my most used items. Rubber compound wheel. I'll put a link. Honestly, you cannot go wrong with one of these. I use it for so many jobs. If you just want to take the edge off of a plate, you want to polish the edge of a disc, it's just got so many uses, and it gets used all the time. So it's just a quick tip on regular tool that I use that a lot of people don't know about, and they're just amazing, and they last forever. This has been on this grinder now for 4 years maybe, and yeah, I use it daily. So take a look at the rubber compound wheels and see if you could use one in your shop.